So we're going to be changing out the calcium chloride in this filter. The first thing you need to do is open one of the ends and get the internal glass tube out. Pull the cotton out of one end and tip out any of what might be loose, but it's all pretty solid. So best way to get that out is just by rinsing it under a tap. You can see it falls out pretty easy once it gets wet. So you've got a clean tube, but it's wet. So now we need to allow it to dry. Okay, after we've got a nice and dry, clean glass tube, it's time to refill it. So you put a little bit of cotton in the bottom end of one. Just funnel in. Fill the contents until you've got maybe a centimetre or so of space left up the top. There's a second piece of cotton in your tube. It's been replaced. And then just reinsert back into your filter tube. Screw the end caps on and screw them both together nice and tight so it creates an airtight seal. And that's done.